Is screen time not working on your iPhone? Whether it's not tracking usage, not applying restrictions, or showing wrong data, you can easily fix it with a few simple steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to troubleshoot and get screen time working properly again. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Re-enable screen time. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down to the end, tap Turn off App and Website App. Then tap on Turn off App and Website Activity. Confirm it. Next, scroll up and tap on App and Website Activity. After that, tap the Turn on App and Website Activity button. Solution 2. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset all settings. This will reset system settings without erasing your data. Now that you know how to fix screen time on your iPhone, give this video a thumbs up if it helped. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.